Okay, here we have the Ypone juicer machines with 6.1-inch extra large feed chute cold press juicer fit. Whole vegetables and fruits, 350-watt professional masticating juicer, easy to clean for batch juicing in silver. Instructions: cleaning brush, dual catching containers. There is the grinder module, the pitcher with the trigger release, and the body of the juicer, on, off, reverse switch. Alright, after washing these, let's assemble. Here. Alright, pretty snug right in place. Got the release valve. Good, the water came out of there from when we washed it. Obviously juice comes out of here, pulp comes out of there. This one right on top of the grinder action. You can see on the back where the handle piece fits into the piece below it. So therefore, oh, the whole thing, okay, the whole thing drops down into place, and there we go, now it's locked. Okay, great, so that locks both levels at the same time. This one has a lip on it for easy porridge. This one, no lip, so the lipped one in front of the juice, put the other one in front of the pulp chute, tamper here. Alright, so now we're plugged in, lock the top, on, great, starts to grind, nice, not too loud, great, and then of course the reverse button to run it backwards, so that's working great. Let's get some oranges in there, 1, 2, open the juice chute, lock this down, and switch it on. Starts grinding it. Wow, it takes those oranges down super quick. Here comes the sweet nectar. It has a little lip on it so you can scrape it away from the sides. Stop it for a second. Use the... It actually doesn't reach all the way down to the bottom, so I guess that's for safety purposes. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the top. I'm gonna pull it away from the edge where it got a little jammed in. And there goes the rest of the orange. As you can see, the pulp's coming out right here. Alright, good stuff. Super effective in getting every last drop out of those oranges. Yeah, nice slick design. Very easy to understand how to use it. Juice chute has a rubber liner, gasket liner around it. Keep everything dry. That's closed. Really stop all the juices from dripping out. Good stuff. That's 2 oranges worth of juice right there. I think the tamper is a good design. It has this rubber finger on the end of it, so you can get any fruits and vegetables away from the side of the machine and get them back toward the middle. But in general, didn't need much help. Ground them down really quickly and nice, and really nice machine. Good unit.